Hey everyone, hope you're having a good day. It's Melanie from Rockytop Wax Works. Today I want to show you my car jar diffusers and how they work. A lot of you may have seen these and maybe you don't know how they work. So this is called a car jar diffuser. What it is, it's a fragrance oil solution that diffuses up through the lid here. And they have instructions. This is how they are packaged. And on the back is instructions and a little warning label. But so basically, these are going to go in your vehicle, and the oil carries up through this jar lid, and I put a little charm on it out of the category of your choice. This person chose a cat. The oil can either be like a tinted color, like this one is more yellowish, this one's a clear. It just depends on the fragrance oil, what color they are. So let me show you how to use these properly. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously take it out of the package. Then you're going to take this wooden lid off, and it just unscrews. And under there, you're going to see this little stopper. This is where everybody always messes up. They forget to take the stopper out. You're going to take this stopper out, and you may need to use like a pair of scissors or something to get up under there, or your teeth. Don't recommend that, but whatever it takes. And be careful when you take it out that you don't spill the oil out. After you take the stopper off, you're going to put this lid back on. Put it on securely, but like you're not going to like make it so tight that you crack the lid. Then you're going to take this and tie it around your rear view mirror. And be careful while the stopper's off, because this fragrance oil is going to come up through the lid, so you don't want to like hold it upside down or anything just yet. When you're ready for the fragrance, and remember your stopper is out now, you're just going to hold it upside down for a couple seconds until you see the top of the wood get darker. That's the oil coming through there, and it's going to start diffusing in your vehicle. It's kind of like a reed diffuser in a room, but this is it. So it's going to be hanging on your rear view. It's going to smell great. When you want another like burst of fragrance, you just tip it over for a couple seconds and we'll see more oil come through. The thing is, be very careful. Don't spill this oil on your dashboard or anywhere else, because it's kind of like the Scentsy wallflowers. Like, you don't want this stuff getting on anything. It'll eat through it. But yeah, these are $7 on the website. You have a choice of what category you would like your charm to be. This one is a cat. This is in Beach S'mores. This one is in, let's see, what did she choose? This is Oak Barrel. And she wanted, I've got a bunch of these listed on the website, already pre-made or ready to be made. If there is a scent that you're thinking about that you don't see on the website, just message me and I may be able to make it up for you if I have the oil. Like I said, all your instructions are right on the back, so if you want to gift this to somebody, it's super cute and a nice little gift. There's your little warning that says just don't get the oil on any furnishings, keep it upright, keep it upright to avoid leakages. Obviously, don't give it to kids or pets or anything like that. But yeah, these are my car jar diffusers. All right, everybody, have a blessed day. Thanks. Bye-bye.